She's alive! Alive! The bride of Frankenstein.
Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my last Halloween tutorial for the year. Each year I want to be doing a bride look. So last year I did Corpse Bride and this year we're doing the Bride of Frankenstein. I was inspired by Lucas David on Instagram. His artwork is amazing and jaw-dropping. Oh my gosh, as soon as I saw this I knew I wanted to recreate this look. In this video I will be showing you how I did my hair, my makeup, and how I customized these eyelashes to match the artwork. So without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial. This is what my hair looks like after I'm done blow drying it. I sprayed it with some hairspray just so that my curls can last longer because I'm working with clean hair. Honestly, don't know the name to this wand or brand. It's like super old, so just use whatever you have. And then I'm just curling my hair, very basic. I never brush my curls out, I just go through it with my fingers. You are going to need about 5 of these little hair donut looking things. Yes, 5. You will also need some little plastic hair ties, and taking 2 of the donuts, I'm just going to be tying them together like so. At the end you should have 2 of these, and I'm going to take a bigger hair tie and just tie them all together. This is going to be our hairpiece for our famous Bride of Frankenstein hair. You are going to need a lot of bobby pins, and I'm also tying the strands of hair that I'm going to spray white so that they're out of my way. I'm just going to be spraying my hair with some hairspray before I tease it. The tease is going to help anchor down that little hairpiece that we created. So next step, I will be taking a part closest to the hairpiece and teasing it. And then also the hair that I left out. I'm not going to touch that one because that's going to cover our tease. And if that didn't make sense, then just pay attention to what I'm doing because I'm not good at explaining. But I do repeat this step all around my head so I can get that big voluminous hair. For the rest of the hair, instead of pinning it up, I'm just going to take a little hair tie and tie it all the way to the tippy top. And the little remaining hair, I'm just going to pin it to the back so you can't see it. Now, taking out those 2 strands that we left out in the front of our hair, I'm just going to go back and fix my curls. Taking our white hairspray and shaking it well because that's what it says in the instructions before you use, and then just pinning up those strands with some bobby pins into my hair. I was pretty happy with how the hair turned out. It turned out way better than what I thought it was gonna look like, but that's pretty much it for the hair. This whole entire look was inspired by the artwork from Lucas David, so I went strongly off of that. I'm someone who pays a lot of attention to detail. I tried to make it as exact as I could. I'm taking the blue shade off of the Tag water activated body paint palette, taking a foundation brush and going in with 2 layers of this blue shade all over my face and neck and chest.
Broadcast as radio impulses into space. And all set that they're being heard on every radio telescope on the entire Earth.
I'm also taking my CC Beauty Flash palette and taking a Real Techniques beauty sponge, and I'm placing it on the highlights. I'm using this white shade as a concealer. Going in with the white body paint, and I'm painting my eyebrows because I forgot to lay them down with glue, but it ended up working out fine with just painting them white. I'm adding the purple into all the areas that are on the picture. So under the eyes, on the cheekbones, on the forehead, chest. I am now going in with my 35B palette from Morphe and going in with this blue eyeshadow shade, also using it as a contour shade. I'm also contouring with this pinkish purple shade. So next I'm just adding my eyebrows, my eyeliner, lines on the face. That's what's really going to make it look like a drawing. I'm going in with a very, very thin brush with my black body paint.
I give in to the lesser fight. My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this strength of mine.
In the artwork, she has really, really big lips, so I am overlining my lips a lot with the black body paint. I'm going in again with the white body paint to add some highlights where they are needed.
My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness.
I'm diluting the body paint with a lot of water so that I can create those little lines going down her mouth.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase.
Next, I'm using my favorite fake blood from Ben Nye. It's the thick blood, which is perfect for this look, and I'm just trying to imitate it as close as I can to the picture, of course, on my mouth, on my neck, and on my little stitches on my forehead.
Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I'm using the Cosmetics Superhero Volumizing Mascara on my eyelashes. The falsies that I'll be using today are from Dollar Lash Club. I will link them down below so you can check them out. Now on to customizing my lashes. I just cut out these thin strips of paper and I painted them black, and just using my eyelash glue, I'm just gluing them onto the eyelashes like this. And that's it. It's literally that simple. And trust me, it does not ruin your eyelashes. You just have to be gentle when removing the paper from them. And that concludes this look, guys. I just popped on some very creepy contacts. I couldn't find any that looked like exactly the ones on the picture, but you get where I was going with it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to show Lucas David some love for inspiring this look. I will also link my social media down below so you can follow me on Instagram. I like to post polls on my stories to see what you guys want to see. If you decide to recreate any of my looks, please make sure to tag me so I can share them on my social media. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I am so grateful for all of you guys. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends. I would really appreciate it. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
If I never know, yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired.